If you're thinking about selling your house, you want to be sure you price it right based on where the market is right now. That's where I come in. So, how do you sell your home fast and for the most money every time? The answer is coming up. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a realtor broker in Clearwater, Florida, here on the Suncoast. Welcome. Hit the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel below so you can get to know the market. When you do that, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be very easy and it's kind of fun too. And for crying out loud, hit the like button once in a while. Now, back to our question. How do you sell your home fast and for the most money? Well, we've sold many homes, in many subdivisions with 4 or 5 other homes actively listed for sale. We list ours in the sweet spot. One home was on the bigger side with extra privacy. We had priced it, had we priced it high like all the others, it would have sat there. The others were on the market 30, 40 days. But instead, we priced it just barely below many of the others. That strategy got all shopper eyes on our property and multiple offers. We sold for over asking price in less than 5 days because no buyer wants to let this one get away. This graph shows listing prices for the homes coming onto the Florida Suncoast market here in Pinellas County. Now, this isn't what they ultimately sold for. That depends on the home itself and whether or not they hit the sweet spot. But it's helpful to know what your neighbors are pricing their houses at all times. And you need to check that the day you list as well. Looking over the past year in Pinellas County, we've seen the median listing prices for homes move up a bit during the summer, reaching a high around August. After summer, listing prices took a slight dip, heading toward the end of the year. Now, come the new year, there was a small rise once more. That's natural, with April's median listing price settling a little lower than March. It's great to keep an eye on these trends to help guide your home buying and selling decisions, and you can do it with confidence. Remember, when you know the market, that's how you get your best deal every time. The market changes every day. So if you're thinking of making a move, let me know. I've got the latest data on prices, and I use 5 home valuation tools so we can be sure we're pricing your house in the sweet spot. We want it to stand out and still get the most out of your sale. And by most, I mean cash for you. With my expertise, we can make it happen very consistent. Call me anytime if I can help you in any way, and check your home's estimated value. It's fast, it's free, it's easy. It's just one of the 5 tools at whatismyhomereallyworth.com.